Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Priya Menon, and I'm so glad you're joining me today. I'm a board-certified dermatologist with years of experience helping people achieve their healthiest hair. Today, we're talking about something that affects millions. In fact, it's one of the most common concerns I hear about in my practice. It's hair fall. Seeing extra hair in your brush after styling, or noticing more hair than usual circling the shower drain can be incredibly stressful and even a little scary. It's natural to feel concerned when you see these changes. But please know that you're not alone. Many people experience increased hair shedding at some point in their lives. There's a lot of misinformation out there, especially online, promising quick fixes and miracle cures. So let's cut through the noise and separate fact from fiction. We're going to focus on what really works, based on scientific evidence and proven strategies. I've dug into the science, reviewed countless studies, to bring you practical, evidence-based strategies that you can incorporate into your daily life. These strategies are all designed to promote healthier hair growth and reduce excessive shedding. We'll cover everything from nutrition, exploring the key vitamins and minerals your hair needs to thrive, and styling, discussing how to protect your hair from damage caused by heat and harsh chemicals, to stress. Because believe it or not, stress plays a huge role in hair health and daily habits. Simple changes you can make to your routine that can have a big impact. By the end of this series, you'll have a toolkit of practical tips and actionable strategies you can actually use to improve your hair health. So, are you ready to take control of your hair health? Let's get started. Healthy hair isn't just about the products you use, it truly starts from within. It's a reflection of your overall well-being, and one of the most significant factors is what you eat. Think of your diet as the fuel that powers your hair's growth, strength, and shine. Hair is primarily made of keratin, a protein, the very building block that gives it structure and resilience. Keratin forms the foundation of each strand, protecting it from damage and breakage. So to ensure your hair has the raw materials it needs, make sure you're getting enough protein from foods like eggs. Eggs are a complete protein source, packed with essential amino acids that your body can readily use to synthesize keratin. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, is another excellent source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which contribute to a healthy scalp. Legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, and beans, are plant-based powerhouses of protein and fiber, promoting overall health and hair strength. Or tofu, a versatile and protein-rich option for vegetarians and vegans, providing essential amino acids for hair growth. Iron is also crucial. It helps red blood cells carry oxygen to your hair follicles, nourishing them and promoting growth. Low iron can cause hair loss, making it essential to maintain adequate levels through diet or supplementation if needed. Eat spinach, a leafy green packed with iron, vitamins, and minerals that support healthy hair follicles. Lentils, another excellent source of iron, are also rich in protein and other nutrients that contribute to hair strength and growth. Or lean meats, providing a readily absorbable form of iron that can help prevent hair loss and promote healthy growth. And pair with vitamin C for better absorption, as vitamin C enhances the body's ability to utilize iron effectively. Don't forget biotin and zinc. These micronutrients play vital roles in hair health, supporting keratin production and follicle function. Found in eggs, which are a good source of biotin, essential for keratin synthesis and overall hair health. Nuts, like almonds and walnuts, are rich in both biotin and zinc, providing a double dose of hair-boosting nutrients. And seeds, pumpkin and sunflower seeds are excellent sources of zinc, contributing to healthy hair follicles and growth. All these nutrients work synergistically for strong hair growth, creating a foundation for healthy, vibrant locks. Omega-3 fatty acids from salmon, known for their anti-inflammatory properties, can nourish the scalp and promote healthy hair growth. Walnuts, another excellent source of omega-3s, also contain biotin and vitamin E, further contributing to hair health. Or flax seeds, which can be easily added to smoothies or meals, providing a plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help keep your scalp and hair healthy, reducing dryness and promoting shine. Before spending on fancy products promising miraculous results, take a closer look at your plate. Check your diet. It might be the missing piece in your hair care puzzle. A balanced plate, rich in protein, iron, vitamins, and healthy fats, is your first defense against hair fall and dullness. Nourish your body with the right foods, and your hair will naturally follow, reflecting your inner health and vitality. This is the foundation of any effective hair care routine, providing the essential building blocks for strong, healthy, and beautiful hair. Let's talk about heat styling. Blow dryers, straighteners, curling irons. High heat damages hair by weakening its structure, causing breakage and split ends. Limit heat styling to a few times a week and embrace your natural texture when possible. Always use a heat protectant spray to shield your hair. Lower the temperature on your tools. You rarely need the highest setting. Small changes like these prevent long-term damage and reduce hair fall. You don't have to ditch your tools. Just use them wisely. Protecting your hair from heat is a game changer. How you wash and brush your hair might seem like a no-brainer, something you've been doing since you were a child. But believe it or not, the techniques you use and the products you choose can significantly impact the health and appearance of your locks. Matters more than you think. The way you handle your hair during washing and brushing can either strengthen it, promoting growth and shine, or weaken it, leading to breakage and dullness. Start with your shampoo. Use a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. Sulfates can strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. When shampooing, focus on cleansing your scalp, not scrubbing your ends. Your scalp is where oil and buildup accumulate, so give it a good massage to stimulate circulation and remove impurities. The shampoo will naturally cleanse the lengths of your hair as you rinse. After washing, gently squeeze out excess water. Avoid wringing or twisting your hair, as this can cause damage. Instead of a regular towel, use a soft t-shirt or microfiber towel. No rough rubbing. These materials are much gentler on your hair and help to reduce frizz. Remember, wet hair is fragile and more prone to breakage than dry hair. Therefore, detangle with a wide-tooth comb, starting from the ends and working your way up to the roots. This method prevents knots from tightening and causing breakage. When your hair is dry, use a brush with flexible bristles to avoid breakage. Stiff bristles can snag and pull on your hair, leading to damage and split ends. Be patient and gentle. Never yank through knots. If you encounter a tangle, gently work it out with your fingers or a wide-tooth comb before attempting to brush through it. These small habits prevent unnecessary breakage and damage, contributing to the overall health and appearance of your hair. By treating your hair with care during washing and brushing, you'll keep your hair stronger, shinier, and more resilient. Remember, less friction means less hair fall and a healthier scalp. Treat your hair with care every day, and you'll be rewarded with stronger, healthier, and more beautiful locks. Simple changes make a big difference in the long run. So, take the time to adjust your washing and brushing techniques, and you'll see a noticeable improvement in the health and appearance of your hair. Stress is a major, often hidden cause of hair fall. When you're stressed, your body can push hair into a resting phase, leading to increased shedding months later. Manage stress with regular exercise, mindfulness, and enough sleep. Even a daily walk or a few minutes of meditation can help. Prioritize self-care. Your hair will thank you. Reducing stress isn't just good for your mind, it's essential for your hair. Take care of yourself inside and out. Tight ponytails, braids, and extensions can cause traction alopecia, hair loss from constant pulling. If you notice soreness or bumps along your hairline, it's a warning sign. Switch to looser styles and use soft hair ties like scrunchies. Avoid sleeping in tight hairstyles and give your scalp regular breaks. If you use extensions, make sure they're not applied too tightly. Listen to your scalp. If it hurts, it's too tight. Prevention is key. Once follicles are scarred, hair loss can be permanent. Loosen up for healthier hair. Not all hair products are created equal. Choose products that match your hair type and avoid harsh sulfates, parabens, and drying alcohols. Heavy styling products can build up and clog follicles, so use a clarifying shampoo occasionally. Look for nourishing ingredients like aloe, shea butter, and natural oils. A simple routine, gentle shampoo, conditioner, and maybe a leave-in, works best. If your hair feels dry or your scalp is irritated, reassess your products. Less is often more when it comes to hair care. Focus on what your hair actually needs. If you've tried these tips for a few months and still see significant hair loss, it's time to see a professional. A dermatologist can check for underlying issues like iron deficiency, thyroid problems, or scalp conditions. Don't self-diagnose or waste money on miracle cures. Early intervention leads to better results. If hair loss is sudden, patchy, or comes with pain or redness, seek help right away. Professionals can guide you to evidence-based treatments. Don't wait. Get the support you deserve. That's your science-backed guide to reducing hair fall. Start with 1 or 2 changes. Consistency is key. Share your experiences and questions in the comments. Let's support each other. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching and investing in your hair health. Stay curious, stay healthy, and see you next time.